Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Allow your eyes to close and allow your whole body to soften. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale out through your mouth. Now begin to imagine a bright healing light. You can choose the colour of this healing light. It could be gold, white, blue, green, or any colour you like. It could be a combination of colours. This light is powerful and radiant. This light heals. Feel the light pouring in from the top of your head. A bold, bright, nurturing and healing light, giving you everything you need in this moment. Feel the light coming into the top of your head, nourishing your body and mind. Moving to your face, feeling the light moving to your shoulders, bringing you deep peace, bringing you ease. Feel the light radiating down your arms, your hands, your chest, your back, your abdomen, your hips. Feel the light coming down into your legs, into your ankles, into your feet. Allow the light to shine brightly. Allow it to heal everything. Feel this healing light in each and every fibre of your being. It becomes stronger and heals all the cells in your body, soothing and restoring you. We'll now send this light out to anyone you wish, or to the world in general. Pour that light into them. As you radiate this light into them, you see it filling them up and healing them. You're giving them what they need. And as you give them this healing light, this healing energy, the light in you shines even brighter. It becomes even more powerful. It becomes even stronger. Feel yourself filling up with more and more light, feeling more and more relaxed, more restored, more open. As you share this light with a person or anyone who is in need of this at the moment, the light gets more and more powerful, sending out this healing energy, these healing vibes and it's helping the person in need. As it does so, the light continues filling your body, calming your mind, strengthening your intention for peace, love, and healing. As your body is filled with this healing light, you're ready to transition back into your day, feeling relaxed and healed, feeling nourished and restored. Slowly bring yourself back to the room you're in and open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this session. Thank you for your intention, for your wish for healing yourself and healing others, and sending out this beautiful energy into the world. I wish you peace and ease.